Stretching along a rocky peninsula beside Lake Ioannina, Ioannina Castle is the oldest continuously inhabited Byzantine fortress in Greece. Unlike isolated hilltop castles, Ioannina Castle developed into a living, fortified town with homes, markets, religious buildings, and government institutions all enclosed within its walls. The origins of the fortress reach back to the Byzantine period, with fortifications traditionally associated with the reign of Emperor Justinian I in the 6th century, although archaeological evidence suggests even earlier foundations beneath the site. Positioned beside the lake and along important routes through Epirus, the castle became the political heart of the region for centuries. Over the centuries, Byzantine rulers, the despotate of Epirus, the Ottomans, and later the modern Greek state, all left their mark on the castle. Its walls, gates, baths, libraries, and religious buildings reveal layers of history rarely found within a single fortress complex. The castle reached its greatest extent under the rule of Ali Pasha in the early 19th century. Extensive rebuilding transformed the fortress into the administrative centre of his powerful, semi-independent state. Within the larger castle complex lies the Acropolis of Ioannina. Today it contains some of the castle's most important monuments, including the Fethiye Mosque and the remains of Ali Pasha's palace. The Acropolis of Ioannina also preserves the Byzantine Museum, the Tower of Bohemond, and the tomb of Ali Pasha overlooking Lake Ioannina. Yet despite these remarkable monuments, it remains only one part of the much larger Ioannina Castle, whose walls continue to surround a living community and preserve over 1,000 years of Greek, Byzantine, and Ottoman history.